What the? Oh God!
Damn, dude.
Don't go over there.
Get away.
Well, listen,
Damn,
just
dude.
go left. Have to get going. She's waving. She's waving. Watch out for this one.
Gift to the food depository, but I'm going to suggest the $12 a month giving level, because when you give at that level, you will coffee mug. So this is basically like 2 thank you gifts that you get to pick up while you're
Attention becomes something you monetize. So you're essentially asking people to do more and more extreme things. That's why you have all these people doing pranks and getting beat up at the mall.
That's right.
The guy got shot. Remember that guy got shot?
Yep.
He kept harassing this guy. The guy just pulled out a gun and shot him in the stomach.
Right. Right.
Could it get dumber? Like, let's imagine something dumber than TikTok.
đầu nghĩ đến đàn phát thì chúng có thể kéo dài nhiều năm, mà bài học chiến tranh Việt Nam là một ví dụ điển hình. Hoa Kỳ gần như đã mất từ 7 đến 8 năm trước khi
Cái đồ chiếc cha sao vậy?
Trời
ơi!
Và trong mọi trường hợp
vậy là thằng cha này nó lỗi rồi. Trời ơi!
God dang. Well, it's pray out, man. Back out and pray out, apparently.
Hey, honk.
My God.
Whoa!
God.
What? Idiot. Ooh. I was gonna flip the I definitely understand like why, because he has a son, right? Yeah. But James, he himself is a very cautious driver. So. Yeah. But yeah, something that
Start emergency field.
Okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You gotta be kidding me right now.
Did you hit him?
Yeah, he hit him. He definitely hit him.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Are you guys alright?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Chị nghĩ nè.
Trời ơi.
Qua Việt qua chị lấy đồ ăn hả?
Ừ, có cái bánh kem đó.
Mẹ,
ai vậy?
Mẹ. Chị đụng xe.
Cái gì vậy?
Đụng xe sao?
Không có đụng đâu.
Không đụng hả?
Cái thằng đó nó đụng đó.
Vậy nó ủi đất chị vậy đó. Con có sao không?
Ai để khoan nữa coi nó đụng đó.
Turn at Riverwalk Drive.
Well, we're just...
Yep.
Well, we're just...
Ah.
There's that safari ride at the zoo, you know, as you're riding.
It's coming out, Maven.
Jesus Christ.
You had no idea you were there.
No idea.
None. I mean, part was because the road is facing like this way.
I gotta wait for him to clear here. God.
Sorry.